Good morning, Australia. This is Grant Stiles coming to you from WhiteCollarBlue. Well, have we got the job for you? An account manager. We're looking for an account manager with at least 2 years' experience, someone with high energy, a great personality, working within the air conditioning industry for one of our latest clients that have come on board. So give us a call now at WhiteCollarBlue. The number is 1300 559 175. That's right, an account manager based out of Carrum Downs in the east side of Melbourne. Call us now, 1300 559 175.